on how to find products fast using Helium10. Okay, so we got black box up here. What I'm going to do is actually within literally just a few minutes, I'm going to set a timer right now. Okay, hey Siri, set a 10-minute timer. Right, there we go. Set a 10-minute timer. Let's see if I can find an amazing product or 2 or 3 or 5 products within 10 minutes. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is go to black box. Right, we're already on black box. No, silly me. Silly me. I'm going to do keywords instead of products right now. And I'm going to type in all this stuff and try and find profitable product. Okay, so this is going to be private label type stuff, but I don't do the normal sort of private label where you import it and stuff. I actually create my own listings, do bundles and stuff like that. I do sort of UK stuff. So yeah, let's see if we can find something that I would sort of sell, that kind of thing. Okay, without having to get loads of stuff from China. So search volume, let's do between search volume, for this keyword, let's do between 350, 450 and 2,000. Well, we don't want to put max on it, no need. Monthly revenue, let's put 1,000 minimum and let's put 5,000 maximum. And then price, let's put between 15 and 50. And then review count, let's put 4. Review count, let's put a maximum of 200, so we can get a lot less than that, hopefully. In terms of the review counts that has got. Review rating, let's put 4.2, so room for improvement on that. And then let's put, word count minimum 3, maximum 7. Okay, right. Categories, let's do grocery, garden and outdoors, as we're coming up to summer fairly soon. We're just in spring at the moment, aren't we, I think? Who knows? Pet supplies, sports and outdoors. And then let's leave that at that for now. Let's see what happens. Right, we click search. Let's scroll down here. Let's see what we can find, guys. Right, how long we got left? We have 8 minutes and 7 seconds. Airbrush paint kit. Let's click on airbrush paint kit. Let's open that up, see what that is. Airbrush paint kit. So we've got, how many we got there? We have got search volume there, 991, 3.9 stars, room for improvement there. We can make it better. Monthly sales 39. We need to do more due diligence on that, but yeah, that definitely could work. Let's view that on Amazon. Airbrush kit. What is an airbrush kit? I don't know what it is. Airbrush kit. Oh, okay, so it's like airbrushing sort of equipment. No, I don't want to get into that. I'm not sure I could find that from a wholesaler, to be honest. Let's move on. Extendable battens, Valentine's hamper for her. That's just gone. That was a seasonal item. That definitely could have worked if you open that up. Look, if we view that on Amazon, just going to type in that quick on Amazon. Loads of search demand, loads of search there, but I know if we found enough keywords, you could make that work. Let's have a look. Cleaning mop, reusable coffee, pussy willow stems, golf training mat, gold cake stand, hampers for couples. That could definitely work. Let's do something a bit more exciting though. Chinese tea set. Let's open that up. 410 results. Not many results. That's great. What we got here? Wow. Chinese tea set. Okay, so this is a tea loose. Right, let's see what happens here if we go on to Helium10 there. Open that up. Let's see what we're looking at here. So we've got 1,193 search. We could get more keywords, obviously, to bring more traction to it if it worked out. So we got a lot. Let's go past the sponsored one, guys. Look at the first 10 here that are not sponsored for 5 to 15. And what we're doing here is checking for sales. We've got some sales, not crazy sales, but we've got some sales, not crazy revenue. We've got some revenue there. And then let's look at the review counts. Most importantly, we've got that one that's below 100. We've got that one that's just over 200. We've got below 100, below 100, below 100, below 100. That one there, quite a chunky one, way low. Plenty of room to compete there because really low reviews. It looks good to me. What we need to do now, so we've checked that the competition is fairly low. We've got some search demand there. We'd have to check that we've got more keywords, but let's pretend that all we'd sort of done all that anyway. Let's see what these actually are. Let's see if we can look at any of these from wholesalers. Right. Now, So this is a Chinese ceramic porcelain teapot gift bag. Okay, it's pretty cool. So it's either this thing here or it's the actual tea. This is what I'm confused about, guys. I'm not sure if it's the actual tea or if it's the actual teapots. Both of them, I still think we could either... we don't necessarily need to get them from China, although we maybe could, but it's not the sort of thing I usually do, although I have just started importing some little bits from China. I think we could definitely get this loose tea, loose leaf Chinese green tea. We could get this sort of stuff from wholesalers and then create our own listing there, bundling products together. So let's type in Pinestone tea. Let's see what happens here. Google that. Loose leaf green tea. Let's see what happens here. And then we've got loads of sort of little packets coming up here. Wholesale. What have we got here? Yeah, look, that's a loose leaf green tea. Guys, we'll have to do loads more research on this, but you get the idea. We're looking for like to buy this in bulk, which I think we definitely could. Buy loose leaf green tea online wholesale. Yeah, it looks like there's a wholesaler there. What you'd have to do is go into that, obviously, a lot more detail and find a good wholesaler for that. So I reckon you could definitely make some sort of Chinese tea set there, or we could look for a wholesaler or start getting stuff, little bits from China, but without spending thousands for maybe this sort of thing here. Guys, this is just, I'm not telling you what to do. This isn't recommendation for advice for, you know, financial advice, but I would look into possibly doing this one here, maybe getting a few bits from China, not spending thousands, but the sort of AliExpress stuff, or I would probably most likely take this route here where I'd actually get the loose tea Chinese tea stuff and bundle that together in my own brand. I mean, this one looks pretty cool here. Maybe you could get something easily from a wholesaler or China without spending thousands there with other tea and some sort of ornament like that. Yeah, looks like a pretty cool sort of product. So that's I'd say that's one there, that big potential there. Let's see if we've got anything else. Van Holten pickle in pouch. Don't know what that is. Hanging baskets, artificial flowers. Is that some sort of opportunity there? So only low results there, which is good. Not many people searching for it. You could definitely get. What is this? Hanging baskets, artificial flowers. Wow, definitely an opportunity there. If you know, it's quite a large item, but you know, it wouldn't have to weigh much because you wouldn't have to do soil with it because it's not artificial. Sorry, because it's artificial. There's no real soil. And what you could actually do is buy the baskets from wholesale or wherever you'll buy them, from overseas, wherever, get them imported. Obviously not spending thousands once again, but you could get them from somewhere, and then you could get some artificial flowers and you could actually put them in there as well, buying some artificial flowers from wholesalers or wherever you'll get them, and then you could definitely make some sort of opportunity here if this was the niche that you wanted. Let's quickly run a Helium10 search on that, see if we found 2 potential products here. Let's go past them for sponsored there. Let's check the sales. We got some okay sales there, not amazing but okay. You know, I quite like slow selling consistent products. Review counts under 200, almost at 100 there, that's fine. That's quite high, but it's okay. Under 100, under 200 's okay. Under 100, under 100, just over 200, under 100, under... Yeah, plenty of room to compete there, in my opinion, in terms of the review counts. We've got some decent sales there. It's not going to be a mind-blowing away product, but yeah, it definitely could, you know, if done right. This is quite a lot of potential here. We've got some search there as well, 1,295, and no doubt if we checked the first keywords, there's probably, we'd have to stick this into Cerebro and Helium10, but there's probably a lot of room to find more keywords there, as well as hanging baskets, artificial flowers. We could probably type this in Cerebro, no doubt, get one of the ASINs, and find some more keywords here, like hanging baskets in general and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I mean, look, there's a lot of potential here. I think this is another one here, guys. If you want to try out Helium10, hit the link below. Got 20% off for 6 months, or like, you know, whatever discounts working at the time of doing it. Hope you enjoyed that video. That was me finding 2 potential products that you could sell. If that was the sort of niche that I was in, I would definitely look at selling them sort of items. So I really hope that's helped, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with anyone you think might find it helpful, and I'll see you soon.